Preparation is that word.
Can I drive down that?
I don't know. I could. That's good. So I don't know about you.
You couldn't fit between the trees.
What'd you say?
He said you couldn't fit between the trees.
There is that. Go gentle.
Lean, Kenny, lean. Is that gonna work even if I slide front nose?
Yeah, because you got a bank. Let me come down there and help make you feel better?
I don't like that.
Okay.
Hold his hand.
Oh my God, I'm going down.
Too bad you didn't go down because I was filming.
What do I got?
Well, you're going to roll up a tree stump right here. Here, don't move.
That's reassuring. What would you have done if you tipped it over when you did that? Laugh. Oh yeah.
That was entertaining right there.
What, from the knuckle? Oh, yeah, because it was doing something under there yesterday too. We still never figured out what it was, which is always good. Oh, okay, because yesterday he had something. It was like somewhere around the knuckle, like it was the backing plate for the rotor or something that was sparking randomly one time. We don't know what the deal was with that. Oh yeah, there's a spark there. Yeah, that one guy was like, they were clean after the first 3 seconds, not the rest of the 3 minutes.
Where?
None
of that little null, but I think you're both tires at the same time. Start, we're gonna clear. I wouldn't go too much more than that, it'll fall off. I don't know, you're bunny hopping it, remember? I know you only got a swirl, but traction, bunny hop, air, wheel speed. That combo. You want to try something else? What hasn't even hit yet? You couldn't make it up over here either? Wow, can you even deny? I wish there were a bunch of Toyota guys come up. Oh wait, there was. Never mind.